What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how I make $1,000 a month passively and how you can start making money as a complete beginner. Guys, this method is literally one of my favorite methods to start making money online. And I'm still using this method. I'm going to show you proof that I'm using this method here in this video today. Now, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm doing affiliate marketing with Clickfunnels, but I'm going to show you step by step the exact process I'm using to make $1,000 per month. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can start an online business, how you can grow an online brand with YouTube, TikTok, and much, much more. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. I was able to quit my engineering job within 9 months of starting my online business. So I want to help you do the same. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe. I'm going to come out with videos almost every single day. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding products online to sell. In this particular case, we're going to be talking about Clickfunnels, okay? One of my favorite programs to promote, one of my favorite programs because they have monthly reoccurring revenue, aka passive income, which is amazing. I love passive income, okay? Once we find the products, we're going to send traffic to the products or customers. A lot of people don't know what traffic is. So if you don't know, it's basically just sending people to those products. And if they buy, when they buy that product, you get a commission. And I'm going to show you a way we can do free traffic, okay? Because the thing is, and when you're a beginner starting a business online, it's really hard to kind of understand how to do paid advertising. And I don't recommend that anyways. So I'm going to show you a way to get free traffic, okay? Now, what we're going to be talking about is the Clickfunnels affiliate program. If you've never heard of it, it's basically a program that pays you 40% monthly reoccurring commission, okay? Now, if you've never heard of Clickfunnels, it's actually it's a web page building software or a funnel building software, okay? So let me just show you real quick. This is the back end right here, but basically what it allows you to do is it helps businesses get leads and sales to their business, right? And then you can also create membership programs. You can create lead generation funnels, a bunch of things you can create. Basically, a ton of businesses need this, and a ton of businesses want information on Clickfunnels. So we're going to be giving those people information, and we're going to make money with that, okay? Now, I do want to show you this. This is the back end of my Clickfunnels affiliate program. You can see if I go down here, MMR means monthly recurring revenue. That means that I have $1,338 coming every single month. This is passively. I also have 3 trialing, meaning once these people go past the 14-day trial, I'm going to be making an extra $274. So that's $1,500 per month I'm making, and that's growing exponentially right now, okay? Now, I do want to show you one more thing here. This is the dream car. So once you get 100 people to sign up as a Clickfunnels member, then you get a car, right? They pay for your car, which is really cool. So I have 28 members right now, technically 31 once people, once these people stop trialing, okay? And this is growing every single day. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this as a complete beginner, okay? Now, so like I said, they give you 40% monthly reoccurring commissions, and they have a ton of products that you can sell within the program, okay? Now, what we're going to be doing, guys, this is going to be the method that works for a complete beginner, and I'm still doing this. I'm going to show you proof that I'm doing this today, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to send people to these blog pages, okay? Now, a lot of people are going on Google and they're typing in things like Clickfunnels versus lead pages, Clickfunnels versus Kajabi versus Kartra. So we're going to be basically writing articles on all of these things that people are searching, right? And then we're going to have an article based on that. And then when they click the link in our article, we make money in Clickfunnels, okay? It's super simple. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can do this as well, okay? Now, I'm going to go back and then we're going to show you something real quick. So if I go to Google, you can see, I just want to show you proof that this is what people are typing in, okay? Google knows what people are typing in. So what we're going to do is we're going to create content around this, and then we're going to create a blog, and we're going to have an affiliate link in there, and then people are going to click that, and we're going to make money, okay? Now, what you need for this is you need a website, okay? The one I recommend to create a website is Bluehost. I do have an affiliate link for this, guys. That's going to be linked in the description in the YouTube video. So make sure to click that. I do get an affiliate commission for that. And basically with Bluehost, you can create your website. Super easy to do, guys. If you don't know how to do it, I just created a video on this. If you go to my YouTube channel and you click this video here, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, how to create an affiliate website. Click this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to create a website from beginning to end. I go into extreme detail on how to create a website, okay? So make sure you check that video out if you don't have a website yet, okay? Once we have a website, it's going to look something like this, right? This is my blog here. You can see this is like where I write all my articles, and this is what we're going to be using to get people to buy Clickfunnels, all right? Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to use a tool called Answer the Public, okay? Really, really cool tool. This is one of my favorite tools to use. Now, we're going to be just going to Answer the Public and type in Clickfunnels, okay? Once you do that, it's going to pull up this page here, and it's going to give you a ton of ideas on articles that you can write, okay? So you can see here, who owns Clickfunnels? Who uses Clickfunnels? Can Clickfunnels replace your website? Can Clickfunnels replace Infusionsoft here? Can you use Clickfunnels with Shopify? So these are the articles that we're going to be writing. We're going to be writing a ton of articles. That way we can get people to click on the articles and we make money, okay? Now, let me go back here. Now, I want to talk about something, okay? So I want to focus on mass volume, okay? A lot of people say, well, am I going to get people to, click on the articles? Am I going to get people to view them? Well, yes, you are, because not a lot of people are writing about these like really niche down keywords, okay? Now, that being said, you're not going to get like thousands and thousands of views each article you write, but we're focusing on that super niche keyword, and you're going to get about 10 to 20 views a day, worst case, okay? But we want to focus on mass volume. There's so many keywords that you can use that I want you to write an article on every single keyword, okay? Now, the reason we're doing this is because I want to focus on volume, okay? So for example, let's just say you write 100 articles, okay? So let me just kind of break down the numbers here, okay? Each article is digital real estate that lasts forever, okay? Now, what I'm going to talk about is like, let's just say you have 100 articles and you get 1 view per article per day, okay? That's 100 views a day, okay? Now, let's just say you get 5 views a day with 100 articles. You're going to get 500 views per day. And more realistically, you're probably going to get 10 to even 50 views a day. So that's between 1,000 to even 50,000, 5,000 views a day, okay? The more articles you write, the more digital real estate you have, the more money you make, okay? Now, I'm going to show you a way that you can do this, so it's really easy to do, and you don't have to work as much, okay? Now, once you know that concept, the next thing to do is to basically start writing the articles based on the keywords, right? So, for example, if we go back here, let's just see, I saw one here, like how do you use Clickfunnels with real estate, right? So I'm going to show you an example of how you do this. So once you create your website, here's something that I just finished here, okay? I literally just finished this today. So like I'm literally using this method right now as we speak, okay? So I got this keyword here from Answer the Public, Clickfunnels for real estate. And you can see here that we wrote an article on Clickfunnels for real estate, right? Now the goal here is to, have a extremely valuable article that talks about, whatever the keyword is. And then inside of here, you can see I have my link. Let's see if I can find it here. Right here, get a free 14-day trial of the software here, okay? You can go in here, click the link, and people will buy, and that's how you start building up your business, okay? Now, you can do this with tons and tons of keywords, right? So, Clickfunnels for real estate agents, Clickfunnels for lawyers. Can Clickfunnels replace Infusionsoft? Can Clickfunnels be used with Shopify, okay? There's a ton of articles that you guys can write. Now, I'm going to show you kind of a secret that I use to do these articles, okay? There's a website called iWriter.com, okay? Now, with this website, you can actually pay people to write your articles for you. Actually, I pay to do this. I pay somebody to write an article for me, and they give me the article, and then I put it into my website, okay? This is if you don't want to write it, okay? So basically, you can hire writers that cost anywhere between, $12 for an article to up to like $70 an article, okay? It really depends on the quality of article that you want to write, okay? You can see I'm actually using this to write my articles in here. You can see all these articles are being written for me, okay? That's kind of a secret to kind of get a ton of articles out right away. Now, if you don't have any money at all, I highly recommend that you write the articles yourself, do the research, and then you guys can start, writing these articles. Now, I do go deep into how to structure the articles that way you can have, they can be on top of Google. But you can see here that, the article's really, it's written well. Like it's got pictures in there, and it entices people to click on links, right? And I want people to click on these links so I can make money with it. Now, another thing I want to talk about real quick is within the Clickfunnels affiliate program, there's a ton of other things that you can promote, right? So if you go to the Clickfunnels affiliate program, you see that they have books, right? You can sell these books here. They have the One Funnel Away Challenge, which you actually get $100 per someone that joins, right? You get that. They have more books here. They have webinars, summits, all kinds of things you can promote. So you're literally unlimited just with this program by itself. Now, the way you sign up to be an affiliate for Clickfunnels is go to a website called whatsyourdreamcar.com, and you can apply to be an affiliate there, okay? And then it'll let you apply to be an affiliate, and you can start promoting the books, the webinars, software, stuff like that, okay? So I just want to let you guys know that. Now, real quick, I just want to show you something once you post your article, there's something that I use to get my stuff ranked at the top, okay? It's called rank math, okay? So you can see here, I tell them the focus keyword, right? Clickfunnels for real estate, and it gives me a score. Right now I'm at a 90 out of 100, meaning that's like, it's a really good, that means it's got a high chance of being at the top of Google. That means more people are going to see it. They're going to click it. They're going to read my article. They're going to click the link, and I'm going to make money, okay? Super simple, guys. But I want you guys to focus on is the volume, okay? The volume is the most important thing, because the more articles you write, the more digital real estate you get, the more money you make, okay? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you guys need a step-by-step on how to create these websites, super easy, guys. I'm going to make, like I said, I made this video already. I actually just created this video yesterday. I spent a lot of time doing a completely free video on how to build an affiliate website from beginning to end, how to rank videos. Like, I go in depth on how to do this, guys. So anyways, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I'm able to make $1,000 a month passively with this method, guys, and it works. I promise you it works if you put in the work, if you put in, start writing the articles and just do it. A lot of people just, they might do a few articles and then stop, right? You got to keep going. You're going to make money if you continue to work, right? This stuff takes work, but this is one of my favorite ways to make money as a complete beginner, okay? Now I will link a challenge down below to how to start an affiliate marketing business from beginning to end. That is a paid challenge. It's only $7 to get started if you want to learn other ways to make money online. But I do have this method, which is absolutely free if you don't want to invest into a program. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Shoot me down a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. We'll talk soon, guys. And I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn how you can make money online. We'll talk soon.